Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE N30 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's enter the dialer and just go to the recents, for example. Now let's tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. Here we've got blocked numbers, so let's enter, and as you can see, this is our blacklist, which is right now obviously empty. If you'd like to add a number, just tap on this option, and here you can enter manually the number you want to block, and tap on block. And as you can see, it immediately appears on the blacklist, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from this number. Here we've got also some cool option which is called unknown, and after activating it just by tapping on the switcher, your device will block calls from unidentified callers. So as I said, quite cool option. Obviously you can turn it off whenever you want to. If you'd like to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and tap on unblock. And as you can see, we've got the information that the number has been unblocked. So actually, that's all. This is how to block a number in your DOOGEE N30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.